This traditional 98-inch Carmel Sofa by Mayo Furniture is a dust-colored stationary sofa that offers comfortable seating for family and guests. This stylish sofa offers a neutral fabric option by Revolution that allows easy cleaning and long wear that will tie any living room furniture together. The Carmel Sofa by Mayo Furniture also has special features such as reversible cushions and zipper enclosed cushions for extended wear. The scooped rolled arm adds character to this collection, sitting on dark stained block legs. The correlating pillows are included with this collection. You will find exceptional quality throughout on every Mayo-built sofa. Complete the look by bringing the Carmel Loveseat, chair, ottoman, and Cocktail Ottoman into your home. The sofa offers plenty of room with its 98-inch width, 40-inch depth, and 38.5-inch height. The seat depth is 23 inches and seat height is 21 inches. The Loveseat measures 72 inches wide, 40 inches deep, and 38.5 inches in height. The matching chair is large at 58 inches wide by 40 inches deep and overall height of 38.5 inches. The chair ottoman measures 40 inches wide by 23.5 inches deep and a height of 17.5 inches. The Cocktail Ottoman measures 46 inches wide by 32 inches deep and a height of 18.5 inches. Come see why the Carmel collection by Mayo is a top choice for those who want quality, style, and comfort at a great price. Mayo is proudly made in America in East Texas in Texarkana for over 50 years.